Was to photograph. Everything's coming through black. There's been activity in response to questions. There's a 30 milligal spike when you enter this room. There's something hiding in this corner, and there's something
over here.
There's more than one.
We had to think.
Chris just got slapped. Got his equipment knocked out of his hand.
No kidding. We're right up here.
No, right here. I was trying to change the tape, and there's two nice big scratches on my hand.
All right, now, whoever is in here, I'm asking you to do me the same way.
Point 1, point 2.
If you got enough courage to do it to me.
10.
I want you to do it. I want you to do it. We got up on the basketball goal says I'm dead.
Dan, could that be the other one that word?
No, said I'm dead.
Oh, I'm dead.
I'm dead. Here I am. What is it? I'm dead.
The friendly is there. The unfriendly is over.
Where's the unfriendly?
The unfriendly is this way. The unfriendly is this way.
And he's that way.
Careful, David.
The unfriendly is here. You're good. Yeah, you gotta be careful.
All right, now, you got me right where you want me. Let's do it.
2-degree temperature change.
Touch me.
2.1, 2.2, 2.7,
Push me off.
2.8,
Push me in the water. I want you.
2.5, 2.7.
Are you with us here tonight?
2.9, 3 degrees, 3.5.
Can you tell us your name? Nothing.
Mike. Mike.
Told you it's either an N or an M.
All right. Can you tell us your name again? Do to me what you're doing for me. Do it to me. What's he doing? Do it to me.
Strapped me severely inside me that way.
Oh. What's that?
There it is. There. It's in that corner.
Did you make that loud noise? All right, here you are. Show me, touch me, let me know that you're here. 4-degree drop right here. Come on.
Told you.
Touch me.
Down another 2. Turn this off.
Look at the notes down here by the flashlight.
You. I respect you, hoodie. You hear that?
Huh?
It says you and then hoodie.
What year is it?
Can you say one of her names? Tom. Can you give us another name? Touch it.
I have to stay away from the ledge.
Can you touch one of us?
Something moved over there.
Tell us your name. Tell us your name.
Another degree. We're down from 56 to 52.9.
You see something? Okay.
I told you it
Oh,
was
the friendly's in that corner. That's the friendly in the corner. They're both.
He's over here.
5-degree drop. Come on, bring it. Come on, talk to me.
Somebody else.
Touch me, talk to me. Can you tell us your name? Five and a half. All right, you can touch this little machine. Touch me. Touch me. The welcome you today. What? Welcome you. Not being too bad. Hope the problem is water. Yeah. I'll get out of here. Push me in the water. I'll run the water, that's what it takes.
Would I have doing one not for both of them?
Yeah, I wouldn't recommend it, no, but this one, he's,
That is not a good idea.
I came on full face on confrontational
Hold
with
this
it.
in this hand.
It was terrifying. It was sheer terror.
And let's see if you can get anything. I'm going to walk right behind
Do you
you.
what do you mean?
I want to see if we can record anything on this one. This one has a light. I'm sorry, I misstated it. Just like the millimeter. And I want you to see if you get any readings with this. Hold this like this. And then if that goes off, I want to see if that
0.9.
goes off.
What temperature you got, David?
Mine's rising.
I got 65 over here.
Yeah, mine's rising.
It's like he's standing here again.
All right, good boy.
Yes, and it's getting colder and colder
Yeah.
on my arms and knees. But it's the friendly, and the
Yeah.
temperature's rising.
Ask him to lower the
The
temperature.
temperature's rising.
Ask him to change. No, it's going down. Ask him to change.
Now it's going down.
Ask him to make the temperature 50 degrees in here.
Are you able to manipulate the temperature? Can you control the environment for us?
20 milligas right here. All right. Back with me here. Come on.
Neil, don't be afraid. Come forward, Neil. Don't let him surprise you. Come forward.
I think I just got him on tape.
He showed himself before, when it would allow me to photograph. We're back down again, 53.9, 53.8. It's moving away.
Can you make the temperature go down? Oh, it was a good chant. Good.
I'm going to ask you to manipulate this device again. Could you please do so? I have to step away from that. Or just to draw it back. Okay. 18. It's cold. It says 54, but it is much colder.
Okay, flashlight malfunction. For the flashlight that was just working 2 seconds ago. What's the other meter picking up? Well, I definitely got to tell Paul at Creepy Hollow that this light he makes really works. Team UPI's first piece of equipment, millimeter, and then that light. Careful, Trish, careful, Trish.
What?
I didn't know if the pipes were rolling up to hit you.
What is the stairway to nowhere?
That was the ladder, Trish.
Oh. Look at the broken chairs.
This is where that corner back there in the other room is where somebody died when the furnace exploded.
Is it?
Yeah.
Interesting.
Somebody did die down here. There's 4
Tommy, why
confirmed.
don't you try your box in here?
There's 4 confirmed deaths at Sloss, but many more because they didn't keep records of the
We
immigrants.
spiked to 30 the first time and 18 a minute ago, but and the temperature has maintained the nice chill. Earlier I was thinking here, as we fell in the corner, and you didn't feel, and then get that other air show.
Oh, I got him right now. Oh yeah. Hey, Art, is there any place you would suggest down here we look or a question we ask?
You're in the right place.
Okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
You all have equipment?
Tony, why don't you step up in here? Because it jumps 30
I know there's none right here, I don't know.
Were you down here when the furnace exploded? when the boiler exploded. People.